guys, I want to show you this amazing wall-mount range hood for my mom's house. Let's open it. Okay guys, this range hood is 30 inches.
You can use dot or dotlegs. It looks soft and durable. It has wall-mounted fireplace type design. Made of high-quality stainless steel. It looks very easy to install. It's easy to clean. It comes with two control methods: motion or soft touch control for our cooking comfort. It has a 3-speed fan. Remove smoke and odors. I love it. It's amazing.
Okay guys, I love it. My mom is going to love it. I highly recommend it.
It's perfect to give as a gift.